Has anybody else had this beer? It's delicious. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm very excited to talk about some products that I'm loving right now. So if you want to hear all about them, then just hang out. Okay, let's get to it. No delay. Okay, so the first product is not new at all. In fact, it's probably super duper old, but it's new to me, okay? So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Okay, so you know that my brows are very important to me, and I have used a couple of other clear brow gels because it does help to set your brows in place, but I had not really tried the ABH Clear Brow Gel, but you guys, it's awesome. The texture of my brow hairs they're pretty fine, so they don't really need a lot of taming, but they end up sort of moving around a little bit, and this is like rock solid. They are going nowhere. So my best friend has really kind of coarse, wiry brow hairs. Mine are more on like the thin, fine side, and this works really well for both of us, so give it a try. Okay, next is a product that I featured in my last video. This is the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. So what I like most about this is that it really speeds up the process of getting a lot of color and depth on your skin. It's super easy. It's easy to pack and travel with, for sure. I don't know if this happens to you, but like when I'm blending, I blend so much that it's just gone or it turns to mud. And what this does for me is that it's a really good base. So I put this on and then I can just put powder on top of it to deepen it up. It sets it, it blends really pretty, and it's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. So if you're trying to simplify or even like amp up your contouring routine, I would call this more of like a bronzer because it's not a cool tone at all. It is warm, but if used properly, it's the jam, okay? Give it a try. Okay, the next one is an eyeshadow palette that came in my BoxyCharm. Yes, I joined the BoxyCharm family. So this is the ColourPop You Had Me at Hello palette. Gorgina, look at that. Let me show you, like, let me show you something. Hang on a second. So to me, it's kind of like the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette and the Naked Heat palette had a love affair and had a love child. And it came out in this ColourPop eyeshadow palette. Let me show you what I mean, okay? I'm missing a pan, don't judge me, it fell out, okay? But this is the Naked 3, so you can see that these are more like rosy blush, cooler tones. And then, of course, the Naked Heat palette is super warm, orangey heat, okay? If you were to combine these two beauties, you would get this. You get like the pinky tones, you get the warmth, you get like these creamy shadows. There's a lot of shimmers in here too. Let's see, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's 6 and 4, 12. Yeah, math. It's 6 and 6. Okay, so you get 6 mattes and 6 like shimmer shadows. Not glitter. It's really pretty. And if you've not used the formula from ColourPop, you're missing out, okay? They're creamy, buttery, they blend beautifully. All of this is all ColourPop. This is all from this palette. The price of this palette right now on their website is like $12. $12! There are drugstore eyeshadow palettes that are more than that. You're gonna love it. Get it! Okay, next. These are the lashes that I'm wearing today. These are the Ardell Foaming Wispies. So you can get these at Ulta, you can get these at drugstores, you can get these pretty much anywhere. They're super inexpensive, they're beautiful. The foaming texture, they're so soft and natural looking. These ones are wispies, okay? So there's some crisscross action going on. Gorge, I love them. They are also in Invisiband, which I love. They're really easy to apply. They're really comfortable. You don't have that big, thick band. Not so fun for me. It's not really my jam. But these ones are really nice. I really like them. I think you'll like them too, so give them a try. And last, you guys, I am so late to this party. Like all of these things, like none of these things are really new except for these lashes. They still say new on the package. But the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Huh. What? I never thought that I was gonna be that gal that was like super highlighted. I have turned into it, okay, whatever. When my best friend came to visit me a couple weeks ago, she brought with her this highlight and I tried it and I was like, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so I have fine lines, wrinkles, texture. It's not like the 100% amazing youth skin that a lot of you guys have. It goes on so pretty. It blends out beautifully. You're not gonna get like a weird demarcation. It's like a beautiful glow. It's not shiny, it's not glittery, it's not sparkly, it's none of those things. It's not dry and powdery and gross like some highlighters can make it look. It's stunning. And it's also impossible to find in stores, by the way. I'm not the only one who has found this. Everyone has this, but it's beautiful. Okay, I had to order it direct. $28 I think is the price of this. I'll put the prices of the other things too, and I'll list all of these items down in the description bar so you can find them. So I know that was quick, but you know, you guys are busy, okay? You're busy, you got a lot of videos to watch. I have a lot of playlists. Go check them out. These are 5 products that are really standouts for me right now. I've been using them for a little while, which is why I'm just now talking about them, even though they are not new products. Okay, so I've had them for a while, I've been trying them out, so I can give you a real great opinion. All of those products that I just showed you are all on my face, and if you want to see the tutorial on how I put this look together, then just click here, right? Nope, it's over here. So tell me in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products, what your thoughts are, if they worked for you, or if you found any dupes. That would be super cool. If you like this video, then tell me with a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. I put out a new video every Thursday at noon Eastern Standard Time. You can also follow all my life shenanigans on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. And I think that's it. So I will catch you in the next video. Bye! I am gonna run out of battery very soon. Oh well. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on. That was so dorky. I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna go make a sandwich. Ah! I love sandwiches. Microphone, microphone, microphone. Dorky. Fucking gray hair though. Shit.